Good afternoon. I am Қарлығаш Семейхановна, English teacher of 17th school. Today, I'm taking a part in the challenge of the using digital educational resources.
Today, the theme of our lesson, the world of secondary games. In my lesson, I'm using digital resources such as Kahoot, Canva and Quizless. So, why I'm choosing these ways? Firstly, graphics such as illustrations, charts and graphs can help learners better comprehend concepts. Secondly, audio such as music enrich students with different learning styles. Thirdly, online educational games make learning concept fun, excited for students. Every time, add a lesson, video and information from websites like YouTube help explain topics. Express Publishing Kazakhstan providing a video each module and each section. Now, you can watch how students from 10A showing us the type of the gaming. I think that we are teachers of foreign languages must keep up with the time and raise the motivation and interest of our students. Thank you for attention.